Kia ora folks, ADB, your local Bushman here. What I thought we'd do today is, I've got an interesting design stove here. Now, if you guys have seen the Alocs burner, I think it's I'll put the model number somewhere in this video. It's basically the same design, okay? Now this is just made from an old tin. The height from the bottom of the opening to the top is 1 1/4 inch. Okay, it's a little bit above that 1 inch sweet spot, but it's pretty good. Basic burner, it's just got a little vent cut out and some holes cut around or drilled in the side. This one in particular has got no wick. Okay, you can use a wick if you want. You can use a carbon felt. I've used wool blanket felt, wool felt for this before. It's pretty handy, and it's a solid fuel stove as well. The height is actually pretty premium for that. You still get some sooting, but not that much soot, so it's a pretty good design. Less talking. What we're going to do today is we're going to see how it performs. Kia ora folks, ADB, your local Bushman. Now I've done some preliminary tests with this. It can hold about 50 to 60 mils. Okay, so let's get it going. Cool thing with this design too is that you can just set the pot straight on and light it. I'm just going to find a flat spot around here. Oh, it's a little bit leaking, but it's not too bad. Let's light it. I spilt a bit, so it's going to be like that. Let's see how it goes. Now, as I said, it's a basic design. The whole premise was this was to be a dual fuel, so solid fuel and mess, but also have it as a semi-windshield design. Something you didn't really require a pot stand with either. Now, just to give you guys a bit of information at the moment, I've been designing a few more things that I might try to produce commercially as part of my Tarp company's products. So this could potentially, not this one, but a revised, tweaked one, could potentially be sold under my Tarp company brand, so there's always that. Now I suspect with this thing it's going to be a tad slow without wick. My concerns are, the reason why is because it's a good burn. If we look at it, purely pretty much blue, and this is with mess. Mess has got that dye, so it's going to give that yellow colouring. The flame's pretty true. This part does heat up. We can fix that later on. It's not bad flame. My only design concerns would be that it might have a tendency to flame on this side if it's too windy. So, but I'll just have to check that if it'll be good for simmering. As I said, this bit does heat up a bit too much than I like. This is a prototype at the moment, so there's things I'm going to be working out. Just to update while we're here, I've been doing a lot of prototyping with my tarps and materials at the moment. I'm doing stress point tests. I've conducted at least 3 different types of tests with 3 different types of fabrics with 3 different types of storm-based conditions with my fabrics, so that's going good. I should have prototypes I'm giving out to other bushcraft YouTubers sometime next year. So there's always that. You see it? It doesn't do it all the time, just sometimes. As I said, I've got to work out the kinks, but in that regard it can be effective. I've got some ideas to maybe create a secondary channel on the back end to create like a sort of capillary action going up. But the burn time on this is pretty impressive. It is 15 minutes 22 seconds now, and it's still going strong. That's pretty impressive. Now, so that's 16 minutes 2 seconds. And this is with 30 mils. As you can see, it's still got another about 10 to 15 mils left. Okay, well that's basically it, folks. I weighed how much fuel it's used. Okay, it's used approximately 16 mils, which is not bad considering it's not at that sweet spot. It's got more fuel to vaporize heat and then heat up more on the pot. Now, if I just check the heat pattern, you guys probably can't see it. Let me tip out this water. Okay, so I had a look. The pot, not this pot, but the pot is just pretty much getting heated up straight here. So a perfect circumference area is just getting heated straight in the middle, and it's a perfect area all around. But yeah, I thought I'd show you guys that. That is my take on a Alocs space burner. Now apparently these come from a climbing heritage. So stay tuned for this. I've got more ideas to work out for this, but anyway, stay tuned. Ka kite te anō, blessed trails folks, and I'll see you later.